On Monday, the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute or SIPRI said that world military expenditure reached an all-time high of $2.1 trillion in 2021. It added that the top three largest spenders were the United States, China and India. In a statement, the SIPRI said total global military expenditure increased by 0.7% in real terms in 2021 to reach $2,113 billion. The five largest spenders in 2021 were the United States, China, India, the United Kingdom and Russia, together accounting for 62% of expenditure. Even amid the economic fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic, world military spending hit record levels. There was a slowdown in the rate of real terms growth due to inflation. In nominal terms, military spending grew by 6.1%, it concluded. As a result of the economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, defense spending amounted to 2.2% of global GDP, while in 2020, this figure reached 2.3%. US military spending reached $801 billion in 2021, which is a drop of 1.4% from 2020. Second place went to China, which spent $293 billion on defense, which was an increase of 4.7% compared with 2020. According to the Stockholm-based institute, India spent $76.6 billion on military and it ranked third highest in the world. This was up by 0.9% from 2020 and by 33% from 2012. The UK spent $68.4 billion on defense last year, up by 3% from 2020. Meanwhile, Russia took the fifth slot with the highest defense spending.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.